Hello guys, welcome to my channel Genetic Coding. In previous video, we have covered how to integrate our Google Map Flutter in our project and also customize marker, show the location on map and also navigate our location on the map. In this video, we will discuss how we can get the current position of any user. So for this purpose, you have to integrate three more packages: geocoding, geolocator, and permission handler. These three packages are available on the pub.dev website. From there, you can pick these packages and integrate it in it. After that, you have to add two permissions in your android.manifest file in case of Android platform. These are two permissions: access find location and access course location. And we have to add also in the iOS part for accessing the location. So in iOS part, go to in iOS in runner file and in info.plist file, just add these permissions: ns location when in use description, ns location always and when in use descriptions, ns location uses description, ns location always uses description. Okay, these are four keys you should add to working with iOS platform. Now come in map screen. First of all, we will check. Now come in map class demo. After that, we will define here a method which will check if the location permission is granted or not. If permission is not granted, then it will prompt the dialog box to the user to grant the permission. So how you can do that? First of all, define a method request permission. Here we will check where result await, make this method asynchronized, permission. This variable come from the permission handler package, permission dot location dot status. It will give us a status whether location permission is granted or not. If result dot is granted equal to true, then we will do some action, else we will do some action. If wool is permission granted is equal to false. If the permission is granted, then we will call pick current position method, pick current position. Otherwise, we will call again request permission. Where you will call this method here, request permission. Now call await permission dot location dot request. Now here we check whether location status is granted or not. If it is granted, then we will call pick current position and we will set our is permission granted is equal to true. Otherwise, we will request here, and what is written? Permission status. Here we will check if permission status is granted, then set state is permission granted is equal to true. We will not define here. If the permission granted, then we call pick current position. Otherwise, we will call this location request. If the permission granted is equal to true and call pick current position. Otherwise, else request permission. Now I will install it. It is. This system is prompting to the user to access its location. So now we are granted the permission as while using the app. Here we will call our permission. Now we have permission in our account. So we will get the current position. How you will get that position? Current position. Await. Make geolocator dot get current position. Here you will get the current position. Now we will convert this position into address. So convert address from coordinate. So it will accept a position parameter. No, it will accept double lat double long. So convert address from current position dot latitude current position dot longitude here. So now we got the latitude and longitude. So how we will get? We will convert this also asynchronized. Call place mark from coordinate. It is come from the geocoding package. Here it is. It is come from geocoding. Click here. We will pass here lat and long. What is returning? It is a list of place mark. So we will get that list of place mark. Here we are passing only one position, like latitude and longitude a single, so it will give us a single location. We added here place mark current address. Now that is, so where you will get list is equal to 0. Now we will print the information. How that is? Like we can print name, like name we will provide here current address dot name. We will get many type of things from here, like street, postal code, sub administrative area, sub locality, ISO, country code, country administrative area. I will show you every property in it. Why? Printing. So I'm writing it now. Now we will rerun it again. Wait for some time. Okay. Now you can see our latitude and longitude get picked by our device. What in emulator it is picked default latitude and longitude, which is set it default, like name Google building 43, California, United States, US, Mountain View, St. Calra County. So if you want to change the location so that it can pick a real time location, then you can define it on the simulator also. How you can define it? Just go in the extended tool and go in the location and pick any type of location. I will go and set our location to India. Here, set location. Now it is our home. Now when we load our device again, it will pick the location of us which we will set here. Here it is. Like we have set the location like that. It picking the Madhya Pradesh, India, Indore, Kastura, Gram. So we have randomly set the location, so it is picking up. Hope you understand how this code is working now. Now I want to navigate, like where it is picking the location, I want to navigate it to the same location. So how you can navigate it? So we have made a method in previous video to navigate our location to another position. Here it is. So I will accept here double let and double long. Here it is. We will pass it here now, and same location I will pass here. Okay, now what is it error producing? Okay, this just uncomment it. Now where is our method? It is our convert address from coordinate, and now I am move to another position. So let and long I will pass in this method. For that I will concatenate this address in single string so that I can update it in our custom window. So just concat it like that. OBJ street, current address locality, administrative area, and it is and postal code. Here it is. Now we have set the address, and now we have already set, we have to be okay. In this marker we will set the on tap method. Whenever I will click on the on tap, I want to show my custom window. Set state, it is show info window is equal to true, and I will mention this address which we will get. Move to another position. This is now, and it is build custom window. Here we will add our address which is we already defined address. Here it is. Now we will run it again. Wait for some time. Here it is got, and our app map also navigate to the same position where we set it in our emulator. It is area. When we click on a map icon, it is showing the same pin code, Kasturba Gram, Indore, Madhya Pradesh, pin code this. Hope you understand how you can get the current location and convert it into readable format. Now we will draw polylines on the map. What is polyline? Polyline is like the connection between the different latitude and longitude, and we will draw a line with using this latitude and longitude. Like when you initialize your map while traveling to some kind of other location, then you search some kind of path for from your starting point to the destination. Then Google Map give you the best possible path for you, like tracing a line. So so here we will draw a line using our latitude or longitude. So how we can do that? For this purpose, just add another screen. I will come back after creating the screen. Okay, now I have made a screen. I give it name draw polyline on map. So I just make a stateful visit. In it I just add Google Map visit like expanded, and it is in stack. Wrap it in column also. After that, I have created a list of latitude and longitude. Okay, this is the list, and I have made the pick the position of major cities in India. So it is Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore, Chennai, Kolkata, and Hyderabad. Okay, all this is lists. I will integrate it these locations to the map. What before that you have to be initialize the initial camera position. For this, override init method. Here we will define our initial position. So for this you have defined camera position and initial position like that. Here it is camera position. We will define target polyline coordinate, which is our list of latitude or longitude. So I am initializing is first location as a starting point of our app. Okay, now here we will show, I will set it initial position. Now here it is a map polyline. It is set which define a polyline parameter. How you can get that? Now I will make a variable set of polyline. Now why it is accepting a set of polylines? Because we can draw multiple line on the map. Now polydraw dot add polyline. Here we just want to here single value draw. So polyline, here we add our polyline id. It will be a first like that. After that you will pass here points. Here we will pass our list of latitude and longitude, which is our polyline coordinates. Here we have polyline coordinates. Now we will pass this list here, polylines and polydraw. Now we will run our app. This is how. Now you can see the width of this polyline is very far, very thick. So how you can manage that? So for managing it, just come here and apply in polyline parameter. It is called like width. By default it is 10, so I am calling it is here width is equal to 4. So it is little width. Okay, now if you want to make this line as a dotted, like I want to change the pattern, so you will call here pattern item dot dash and like dotted. So what will be the length of that? I define it 2, and we also want to gap, so pattern item dot gap here, so it will be a 2. Now we will run it again. Now you can see we have what is not quite displaying here dotted, so gap I also provide 10. Okay, now it is saying that it is dotted line. This is how you can draw your polyline on map. Okay, now you can also show the marker, like it is Delhi, we can show here a marker. And like when we want to place a marker where it is latitude and longitude are placed, so like it is Delhi, Mumbai and Bangalore, I want to show the marker here. So how you can do that? So make another list of marker list, like we are already making that marker. It is marker list. Now so polyline coordinate dot for each, here we will got our latitude and longitude. Element, so like that. Now we will define here our marker. So how you can add that? We already made it here. So I'll copy from here. This is our marker. Copy. Our marker list dot add. We will add this marker here. Okay. Now it is saying that show custom icon. So we got our icon from this method future. We have already defined it. It is the method which give us a bitmap descriptor using your icon address. So how you get that? I place it wrong place. Just call here. Now make it asynchronized and got icon where custom icon await get custom marker, and it is same images assets images slash new home dot png, and we will got our custom icon here. Now this is how you can add your markers. I will generate a random number every time. Next int for unique id. I will pass this marker list in our map. Now oh we do not pass the latitude and longitude of element, so I will pass here element of each position. So now like this is on Delhi and these are. Now we place marker on each and every position of our polyline coordinate. If you want to click on that and show some kind of information, then you can also show that. How you can do that? You can get the address, like we will get our latitude and longitude, so we can get the address from here. List of place mark, so address await place mark from coordinate. Here we pass element dot latitude and element dot longitude. Here you will get the address, and now you can set it to the custom info window. Here in title we pass our address, so it will give one address at a one time. So address at the 0 position, we will got place mark, and then we give it here administrative area. It will give us a gentle name here. Now Delhi, and it Maharashtra, Telangana, and Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, like that. So we have learned how we can draw polyline on our app and how to show multiple marker on the map. So in this video we learn how to get address from the coordinate, and also how to pick current location, and also draw the polyline on the app. If you got any type of knowledge from this video, please subscribe my channel and like this video, so that I will got motivation for making new videos for you.